In these hard times, my brother sent me a box with Mickey. Come and check it out. I'm a Mickey Mouse fan, a Mickey Mouse collector. The only thing I don't have of Mickey Mouse is the ears. But other than that, I have everything else. So I'm gonna definitely save this bag. Only my brother will put a bag outside. And it lights. So we're gonna put it in the dark and let show you how it lights. This is what I make. It's an idea. Let me show you what else is in the box. I don't do mini, but he always want me to do mini. So I got a mini hat, which is gonna go probably on my Mickey stuffed animals. And Wild Money Entertainment. I got a Wild Money scarf. And it's brown. I don't have a brown one. Thank you, bro. We'll be back so you can see how this looks in the dark. How it looks is nice and soft and cushy, and it changes colors. It holds my neck up at night. And I'm gonna be so happy and comfortable. I love you, brother. Thank you.